Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're going to show you how to plan and plant a garden that produces vegetables throughout the year. With the right planning, you can enjoy a continuous harvest from season to season. Let's dive in. Year-round gardening offers numerous benefits, including a steady supply of fresh produce, better use of garden space, and the joy of gardening in every season. By choosing the right plants and following a strategic planting schedule, you can keep your garden productive all year long. Start by planning your garden. Consider your local climate and growing zones to determine the best planting times for each season. Create a garden calendar to help you keep track of planting and harvesting dates. Spring is the season of new beginnings. Start with these cool season crops that thrive in the mild temperatures of spring. Lettuce and spinach, quick-growing leafy greens that can be harvested multiple times. Peas, plant early for a sweet and crunchy addition to your garden. Radishes, these fast-growing root vegetables are perfect for early spring harvests. Plant these as soon as the soil can be worked to get an early start on your garden. Summer is the peak growing season. Here are some heat-loving plants to include in your summer garden. Tomatoes, a garden favorite that produces bountiful harvests. Peppers, with both sweet and hot varieties, thrive in the summer heat. Zucchini and squash are fast-growing and prolific, perfect for summer gardening. Make sure these plants get plenty of sunlight and water to keep them productive. As temperatures cool, it's time to plant fall crops. These vegetables thrive in the cooler weather and can be harvested well into the fall. Carrots, sweet and crunchy, perfect for fall harvesting. Beets, another root vegetable that does well in cooler temperatures. And kale and Swiss chard, hardy greens that can withstand light frosts. Plant these in late summer or early fall for a continuous harvest. Winter gardening is possible with the right crops and protection. Consider these cold, hardy vegetables. Cabbage, a robust vegetable that thrives in cold weather. Broccoli, which produces well in winter with protection from extreme cold. And garlic, plant in the fall for a summer harvest next year. Use row covers, cold frames, or greenhouses to extend the growing season and protect your plants from harsh weather. To maximize your garden's productivity, practice succession planting. This involves planting new crops as soon as one harvest is finished. For example, follow early spring lettuce with summer beans, then plant fall carrots in the same space. This keeps your garden beds productive year-round. With careful planning and the right crops, you can enjoy a year-round harvest from your garden. Follow these tips to keep your garden productive in every season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!